Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on you click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will click on this window here and you will go to Starz on. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.